The DJI Neo received a new update last week, bringing us several exciting features: a full-screen mobile controller, video resizing options for shorts, and increased AI tracking speed. But how did it perform? That's what I'm testing today. My name is Tom, and this is Drone It Up. Before we dive into the test, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you haven't already. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating content. Thank you so much. I know everybody is busy with the new release of DJI Google Hands-3, but today I'm testing the new firmware of the DJI Neo with my son, who is helping me behind the camera. Today is a not very nice sunny day.
It's light.
We are in the close forest. Yes, it's foggy and rainy, and we're going to be testing now. Yes, we're cycling up from the hometown, and we're going to be testing Neo, how fast they do the AI flying after us. So we are up here, and let's get started. Now it's time for the first test before installing the new firmware. Let's see how it performs. I'm trying to escape from the drone, which is a bit challenging with my single draft bike, but not impossible. I don't need to pedaling too hard, since once I reach over 16 km/h, the drone can't keep up, so I just turned it back and started downloading the upgrade. Unfortunately, I struggled with the connection, so I picked up the other drone and spent some time capturing some nice footage. All upgrades are done and the firmware is updated on the drone. Now let's see how fast it can track me. It can reach up to 33 km/h. All my equipment is packed up and ready to go. Let's see what this little budget-friendly drone can do. I have to stop here before the tunnel, since the drone can't go through without a GPS signal. I will do one more test run on this road to see if I can escape from the drone. But this test is 2 days later because I have a rainy day. The Neo followed me well until I speed up past 30 km/h. It managed to keep up easily at lower speeds, but it seems to struggle with the longer distance tracking. You will see this in more detail during the off-road test. Now comes the off-road test, which was really exciting. I had to stop frequently at the start, and at one point it even lost me. I'm not sure if it was due to all the greenery or the rapid changes in the color. It's a bit of a mystery. Since this drone only has sensors on the bottom, understandably struggles with obstacles. But honestly, for a budget drone, it's performing impressively in my eyes. I kept going downhill, but the drone got stuck on obstacles a lot, and sometimes it lost the track because of direct sunlight onto the camera. Overall, it did great on smooth roads, but it's not the best for off-road. Still, I really enjoy using it, and I'm excited to see what updates are coming. It's already gotten much better since it came out, especially in how it runs. Now I will say goodbye. If I missed anything or if you have any comments about the video, I would love to hear them. And now please listen to what my little cameraman has to say.
My dad is in the main character because I'm the second main character right now. I'm not talking, but I'm supposed to be in the camera. I'm doing the camera, but I'm the second main character. Well, my dad is the first because you have to click on the like. You have to click on the comment section.